Hi friends, today we are going to solve the HackerRank 1 week preparation kit. This is based on some easy problem solving basic questions, and today we learn how to solve those problems. So let's jump into our first problem. So this is a plus minus problem. It's a very well known problem, and let me just go through the question once. It is a given an array of integers and arbitrary elements, and there are some of positive, some of negatives, and some of zero. And each mostly uh, each fraction is a new line with six places after the decimal. So this is an example of an array, and it has five elements. So the funda is here that whenever we found an element, um, and that number of element is there. There are two positive number and there are two positive number and there are two negative numbers like here and the ratios are for the ratios we have 2 by 5 and 2 by 5 for the negative and 1 by 5 that is for the zero value. So our task is to complete the function. Suppose we have other elements here. Like this is sample output where we have six input and these are the number of the inputs and it has it has six values and our task is that to measure how many numbers are positive and how many numbers are negative and based on this based on this we have to divide the total number of positive numbers by the size of the array. So let's start the code. Okay, we are doing it in Python. Let's choose that first. Yeah, you're good now. So for this solvation, we first take three variables um, like A, B, C, and we assign these integer values with 0. Then we need a for loop. So let me just code it first so that I can um, um, help you to understand. So the for loop is basically here we now need to measure that the length the value should not be exceed the length of the array. Otherwise it will populate error or garbage value may be produced. So the range is here as you can see the range is here 0 to length of the array, total length of the array, and now we put our logic. If array of the element is greater than 0, then we have to store it in the sorry it's store here and if I less than 0. If the array value is less than 0, then we have to store the value also for that plus 1. And If that is 0, if the element is 0, then to just take those element. See, so, yeah. Now we have to print the values. Print. Suppose like in this point, X contains the number of elements for the number of elements which is in positive, which is positive. So we have to divide it with the length of um, array. And similarly, we have to print it for um, similarly, you have to consider it for the element negative elements, and we have to consider for the zeroth element also. Okay, so I think we completed the code. Let run this code. Mhm. Something is missing. Okay, so submit. Let's submit the code. And all the test cases are successful. So this is the code for you. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you.